going outside. Lawnmower's fixed. But he gave me one. Right on.
Airlock. Doesn't matter. I never give up. Airlock. I seen you put scratch in the carburetor. What it was carboned up and you used what was in there. I turned it off at the right time. It was dirty. Check in there for a hollyhock. I got almost 900, almost 1,000 views since yesterday on this song. You see that new site, Creepy and Abandoned Places? I got like 61 likes. Guardian's getting there. Got lots of compression now, eh? Yeah, but at the moment that's 100% better, eh? The way it looks right now here. I say it's all carboned up. The Dale's flowers. Yeah, I'm videoing. I'm videoing. The butterflies. Monarch butterfly, Dale. Right there. Not even a flower there. That come all the way from Mexico, that orange butterfly, monarch, right there. You're attracting butterflies here and there's not even flowers yet. Yeah, but you give them a place to hang out. Yeah, I know. Pull the plug, we'll buy another plug. I got like 3,000 interest on this and I joined it yesterday. I put you in there. You got tunnel vision when they drive, eh? You ever notice that? Tunnel vision.
Well, this is like I feel more comfortable that you can walk around now, eh? You know? Like, that lawnmower right now to us is worth $1 million. Like this is comfortable, you know? Now at least you can burn a fire, you know? But I don't dislike wildflowers. Like you can see buttercups starting to open up in there. Like you gotta look at it optimistically sometimes, eh? Like look at that. Look at that. Nobody planted that buttercup, but there it is, sitting right there. And you're gonna have tons of wildflowers in there. You got those purple flowers in there. Can't believe it, Dale. Almost 1,000 views since yesterday. I reposted. I found it. It was on my site there that I reopened. I know how to get those sites back now. So it helps diabetes, eh? Exercise. See, I did a lot in my life, eh? That's why it doesn't take me much. Oh yeah, the flag. That's cool. What? Who? Not that much. Not that much. I feel lots of hair there. Yours is a little bit too.